It's a glorious life, a materialistic life. Have the fun. You're forgetting the hurt and the pain you're causing to people who suffer for so many years. Please don't ever forget that. I admire the people who pay the black tax, or look after 20 or 30 family members, or find it important to do that. That, from a spiritual point of view, we call it a huge blessing. To take care of the elderly people, to take care of the mother, to take care of children who are vulnerable. That's a huge blessing. What it fills the soul, no one in the world can buy that. And we need to understand that very, very clearly, that yes, make money, but do it the right way. Don't trample somebody else. Don't be dishonest. Be dishonest. Do things the right way. Remember your family. You will see it. You may not be a multi-billionaire, but then again, what's the point of being a multi-billionaire? How much can you eat? So we have a teaching, what you don't spend is not yours.
Wow.
So I give every child, every year, tell me, yes,
What
2
you
billion.
don't spend is not yours.
Of course. What you don't spend is not yours.